YouTube, long time no see, and today we're going to be taking a look at Bitcoin from the 1 month down to the hourly. So we'll be taking a look at my long bias and why I have a long bias. Um, my apologies for not uploading in a while. I had a few things go down in terms of copyright and all that ICT bullshit. Whatever, it is what it is. But all that being said, we're gonna hop into this Bitcoin analysis. I'm gonna show you what I'm seeing right now on the higher time frames down to the lower time frames. I'm actually in a long right now. Let's go ahead and check that out. Okay. All right. So we just cashed a short. All right. It's about 4.5 R here. All right. So there's an entry. Okay. Exit number one was here. I think it was actually up here somewhere. And then exit number two was about right here. It's about 4.5 R or so. But now we are looking at a potential long reversal. And here's my analysis on the 4 hour. We're going to go a little more in depth in this video. Okay. So my stop's at about 65, 63. It's about 2.5%. Okay. I'm going to be targeting 75.48. Okay. So with all that being said, let's just quickly hop into this and try to make this analysis video as quick and to the point as possible. Okay. So let's do this shit. All right. So we have a low here. All right. So we have a low at about 63.54, and we have this incredibly long wick. Okay. Now we have returned. So if you've studied any of Dante's stuff, this would be considered a swing failure pattern, correct? Alright? So as long as this candle here can close white or green or whatever color you use bullishly above this low, I think we're looking good for some higher time frame upside. Alright? So just go ahead and draw. We're on the monthly, so this X is going to be really ugly. We're not even going to draw it. Alright, so we're also going to take a look at these lows. Alright, look how clean these are. Alright, 1, 2, 3, and even the lows of these candles. And then look at this move right here. Alright, nice good move under, and that resulted in this. Okay, and now this came all the way down to this low, which is, it's pretty wild, because this was kind of the area that I was looking at for a market reversal. I don't know if you guys remember that chart, but nonetheless, it didn't stop right at that level, went way below it, but we're still above it. Okay, so that's positive. All right, so there's that for the monthly. We're gonna go ahead and jump into the weekly now. Oh, one more thing about the monthly I wanted to show you. All right, look at these highs. Once we zoom in, these highs are gonna be a lot cleaner. But look at these. Remember, this is the monthly candles. All right, so we have two excuse me, we have two wicks, all right, here and here. So these are going to represent an incredible amount of liquidity above them. All right, so we have right here, we're just going to take a little box, what is up here? All right, everybody that's short, let's say larger funds shorted from down here, their stop loss is going to be above these two highs, right? Okay. And we have a move below these lows, a return back above the lows. All right, so now I'm targeting the higher time frame highs. All right, let's go ahead and zoom into the weekly now, and look at the weekly. All right, look how clean that is. Okay, we're gonna restart. All right. So look at this. First things first. Let's look at this weekly candle. All right. Notice how there's no up wick yet. The week has just started. The week has just started, and we've already moved below the low and the open of the previous weekly candle. Okay, so if we have traders that just put their stops below the previous weekly low, we're already below it. So now I'm expecting, look at this wick to the upside already. Okay, well, I'm expecting now for us to start expanding towards the high of the previous week, because it's only Monday right now. Okay, but at the time of this recording, it's about 4 a.m. I want to say 4 a.m. on Monday morning. Okay, so again, we have this move under these lows. All right. Okay, excuse the ugly X's, whatever. All right, and then we have these highs right here. Okay, and look how clean these are. So we move below the low. All right. So everybody that read the article, right? So we have stops under here. Everybody that chased this move is now trapped because we're back above. Everybody that's long is now stopped out. So now everybody that's chasing the short on the higher time frame should be punished, right? And we're gonna go more into depth here right now. Okay. So let's go in the daily. Let's restart again. Okay. Beautiful. Now look at the daily candle. Same thing as the weekly candle, okay? Early in the day, we have no wick. Very few candles have no wick. To both sides, if you get what I'm saying. So very few candles are going to just have one wick, okay? Majority of candles have 2 wicks. And basing this off how early in the day this is, I'm saying that this thing should start expanding to the upside. Alright, look at these 3 clean lows here. 1, 2, 3. Alright, we've moved below them early day, right? So now I want us to start expanding to the upside. And that's virtually why I've entered the long. Alright, and we've talked about these lows multiple times, okay? Not too worried about that. But now look again. Look at these highs, alright? This is the most important thing. These set of highs right here. Alright? Because very, very rarely are they going to leave highs like this untapped, okay? So we have stop losses above here. All we're doing is looking for a potential long entry, and I think we're getting that now. So we're gonna check out the 4 hour. All right. Now looky here. Now, who do you think is chasing these? Right. This is getting shorter so excited. It's not even funny. And everybody that longed from right here, okay, and tried to ride this move up, guess where their stop orders were? Okay. You guessed it, right under here, okay? So, this move, look at how aggressive this move is. This is what piqued my interest. Alright? A nice aggressive move under 2 clean lows. Alright? And now what I want to see is some upside expansion above the range low. Alright? This is just what I'm looking at. I'm not telling you this is what's gonna happen. This is just basically the basis behind what I'm seeing. And you're also seeing a whole shit ton of people seeing this as a head and shoulders, right? And you guys know how I trade my head and shoulders. If you don't, you can go ahead and watch that video. But you get what I'm seeing here, all right? So we got a neckline fake out right here, and it's a beautiful aggressive neckline fake out. And everyone's shorting that, right? It's scaring people. So I wanted to go above here, and then resume towards the range high, right? That's just what I'm looking at right now. Now, what would invalidate this idea? An invalidation of this idea would be I'd be looking at the higher time frames, okay? So if, for example, this daily candle closed black, all right, if we had just a straight close like this candle, I'd probably be a little hesitant on entering any longs, but I think what we got here is a classic fake out. All right, that's just my ideology behind it. All right, and again, I am in a long right now, about 2.5% risk. I post that in the Discord and on Twitter. But yeah, we'll just see what we get. Okay, and we may see something like this even. All right, and we may just see another run, right, and then a continuation upwards. I mean, it's kind of hard to say, right? But I have my risk assessed. We're in the long, and now we'll just wait and see what we get. All right, boys. All right, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video.